अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
Finally, all set for the ride. Camera is charged, intercom is charged, bike is washed, all set. Let me get a good sleep so that I can ride happily.
ಇಂತಹ ಹಲವು ಸಂಗತಿಗಳ ನಡುವೆ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಕಾಡುವಂತಹ ಕಟ್ಟ ಕಡೆಯ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಹೀಗೂ ಉಂಟೆ.
Yes, you all are guessing it right. Whole night nidda madilla as usual. 5 o'clock, got up from bed, started getting ready. It's 5:40 now. I'm leaving. So welcome all to Slightly Madness. Today's vlog is breakfast ride by Octane Squad to Hotel Dhruvathare. Let's go. So all set, getting my bike turned on and leaving my home. Right now it's 6, I'm already late. Irfan is on the way. We are gonna meet at Gurkantepalya. From there we both will go to Parle factory where all the riders would be waiting for us there. So let's go. The weather is so good, so calm, so peace. I hope it stays the same until I come back home. Just reached Parle Toll. I think we'll have to wait for a few more people to come in. All the bikers are here. I think most of them, few are still on the way. So we are trying to push off from here so that they all would join us on the way. I think by then we would reach our destination, Hotel Dhruvathare, and start our breakfast. So let's go. ಈ ಗ್ರೂಪಿನ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಅಂದರೆ ಇವರಿಬ್ರು ಅಪ್ಪ ಮಗ. ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಗಾಯ್ಸ್, hats off to them both, especially our kid. He's so enthusiastic about this. He has so much courage and he enjoys every moment. Listen to the such amazing sound. It's a treat to watch the bikes rolling. Check out this 25th anniversary edition Buza. It looks amazing. So guys, first pit stop at the first toll, Mangaluru Highway. So we wait for everyone. So we are all set, all are here. So we are now moving towards our destination. ರೋಡ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಆಕಾಶ ನೋಡಿ, ಅಕ್ಕಪಕ್ಕ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಗೈಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡ್ಸೋಕ್ಕೆ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ದೇ ಸೇ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಡೆಸ್ಟಿನೇಷನ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಜರ್ನಿ. just reached Hotel Dhruvathare. Few of them already are inside and few are still on the way. So let's wait for them.
Place there, I'll check and come back.
Okay. ಇವತ್ತಿನ bike lineup too many bikes, but it was fun riding. We have reached hotel now. We are just entering to have our breakfast. Yummy idli vada. Hotte tumba hasdittu. Couldn't wait. Had idli vada and masala dosa as well. It was tasty. Thank you everyone for making this ride successful, especially Shreyas.
मजा आया.
So guys, we are done with the breakfast. Had nice sleep. So we had a photo shoot in front of the hotel as well. So it's starting to roll now. Maybe we'll have a flyby shots. So let's have some fun while we ride back to Bangalore. Finally, Bangalore reached Advi. We thought let's take one small break and say goodbye to everyone. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅವ್ರವ್ರ ಮನೆಗೆ ಡೈವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. So guys, we all are pushing off now. I'm riding Gen 3 Buza, Delphant Buza, and he's taking my bike. It has full system Brox exhaust. The best part of Gen 3 Buza is the smoothness. It is very smooth while riding, and the quick shifter. You should hear the sound, guys. Full system. Gen 3 has analog speedometer and tachometer with a small TFT in the middle. The lights are redesigned and it has all LED illumination. It has a 20-liter fuel tank and the revised cam profile that improves performance. The quick shifter offers smooth upshifts, but adjusting to the behavior during the downshifts may take some time. So ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮನೆ ಹೊರಟರು. ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಗುರುಗಂಟೆಪಾಳ್ಯ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, taking a ride and going to home. Meanwhile, I saw this person across the signal. He wanted to hear the sound and rev the bike. His expression says it all. Once you're done with the ride and you're tired, it's mandatory to have a cool, fresh juice to get yourself refreshed. So I've called my friend Chetan. He's on the way. So juice kudaitu, done with the day, going home and resting now. So almost manage reach ade. I was standing in the signal. Illi obru nan bike nodi tumba istapatru. So he just wanted to tell me the bike looks awesome. And also he asked for my Instagram ID so that he can follow. We really feel good when you guys follow us on Instagram or subscribe our YouTube channel, because that's the motivation and the support for us to get new and better contents. So friends, just reached back home, completely tired. No sleep last night, so much stress, but it was fun riding, and the breakfast was so good, the ride was so good. It was a very big number, had fun. So thank you for watching.
again, and do subscribe my channel, and see you soon with a new vlog.